Hello to you. I'm Jesse Johnson. This is Infinity and Time. In order for something to exist, there must be time. Time is a conceptual, perceptual reference construct. Time is not real in and of itself, but it is a mental necessary tool that's used to keep track of that which is intuited by our systems, with our memory and the hundreds of extreme complex networks systems we're composed of. Without memory, information, time, nor space can be constructed. Therefore, the biological system cannot and won't survive. The actual universe, or actuality, meaning to act, to move, to be in motion, activity, energy, force, etc., is real and has a specific rate of which it unfolds. Time is a measuring tool to deal with this. Time has three elementary forms: past, present, future. All three require information to construct. From all 18 of our senses, we are very, very complex organized systems. Time includes duration. Without duration, a thing or non-thing does not exist, or be, or have no being, which needs actuality, which needs time, and time which needs space to be a total working construct. Without time, space, there are no concepts, no thinking, no feelings, no emotions as such, or conceivabilities, which themselves are finite and limited. Time is used to record finite events, and each finite event is one event among and physically inseparable with a physically indefinite and physically incalculable number of events. And each event is made of physically incalculable continuum points. The very, very, very complex organized world universe, of which we ourselves are an almost infinitesimal microsystems of larger systems, which includes us as a unit and is physically inseparable and integrally one with. We have evolved to be capable of intuitive, living reflection, living reflection of this universe at its core. And as such, we, non-thought, non-mind, reflect non-actuality, non-time, non-space, and non-finity. Although most people give definitions of infinity as though they know what they're talking about, the fact is, non-finity is beyond intellectualization and mental processes. The total human system is finite in totality and cannot go beyond that. And all things, non-things, persons, places, processes are finite. All representations and symbols are finite. And these systems cannot go intellectually nor in any form of mentally beyond this. Simply because the word infinity or non-finity is part of a language doesn't mean you understand. Infinity over hundreds to thousands of years generally means, hold on for 1 second please. Hold on for a second. I'm out to fix this. To continue, infinity means in general, conceptually, too great to be calculated. Number two, without beginning or end. without beginning or end or middle, having no end or limit, incalculable, eternal, endless. 6. The totality of time without beginning or end. 7. Without known limits or boundaries. Illimitable, perdurable, P-E-R, perdurable. Sempiternal, supertemporal, everlasting, perpetual, unbounded, non-circumscribed, without finiteness in all definitions, without restrictions. Number 9, limitless, boundless, immeasurable, indefinite, measureless. 10. Extending indefinitely, inconceivably great or extensive, inexhaustible, no external determination, extending, lying beyond, greater than any possible pre-assigned or assignable finite value, however large or small. Number 11, duration without beginning, end, or middle, beyond capacity or capacity, impossible to quantify, qualify, incapacity of power, time, space, number. 13. All embracing, perfect, absolute, exceeding any quantitative value, repeatable without final, countless, innumerable, interminable, unconditioned, unfathomable, without bound or limits in any way, impossible to quantify, impossible to qualify, briefless, non-finite in every possible way, non-transient, non-transitory. Number 14, without limits of any kind. 15, not finite, non-time, without beginning, middle, or end, non-durational, but is, non-spatial, but is, including all finity and transcending it. 16, so minute to be undiscernible, immeasurably, incalculably small. Even with this, it is all conceptual definitions, and only when these, our systems, true, T-R-U-E, true, spiritually awakened, is true infinity, intuited, reflected beyond mind, mental, intellect, beyond ego, beyond false, separate idea of a self. I want to thank everyone for listening and watching. And please share this video. And have a very fine day. Take care of all of yourselves well.